Check your email or Schoology app for a link sent out by your teachers. Click the link to open the WebEx app. Enter your full name and full SMA email address. Click OK for microphone access. Click OK for camera access and click Next in the blue box on the bottom of the screen. Click OK in the blue box to the left of your screen. Click the red colored microphone and camera buttons with the corresponding icons. Click Start My Video. Your video feed should pop up on the screen along with the other meeting participants' feeds.
Good job. We're so proud of you.
After you have been made a presenter of the meeting, click the sharing arrow icon above the video feed. Click the Share a Screen button in the white list of options. Click the Share a Screen button in the white list of options. Click the OK button. Congratulations! You are now sharing your screen. When you are done presenting, click on the name of the person who is going to present next. Then click Make Presenter.